Hola chicos y bienvenido a la clase de español con Language Nerd. Hello lovely students and welcome to Spanish lesson with Language Nerd. Today we're going to talk about Spanish superstitions that if you haven't come across with yet, you will for sure come across with these superstitions when speaking to Spanish native speakers. So next time you're going to speak with a Spanish native speaker, you will know for sure what this superstition actually means and what you should be doing or should not be doing when being in Spain. Now, before we get into the lesson, I have a little announcement to make that this video is a collaboration with the Spanish Express YouTube channel, and I'm gonna leave you the link for Victoria's channel up here and as well as in the description box so that you can check it out. So the first superstition that I would like to talk about is that you will probably find this very surprising, and this is that el martes 13 y no viernes tiene mala suerte. Entonces es el martes 13 que tiene mala suerte y no viernes 13. So it is the Tuesday 13 that actually brings you bad luck according to Spanish traditions, and not the Friday 13 as it's kind of commonly known in Anglo-Saxon world. So on the Tuesday 13 you shouldn't be doing any kind of important things, like you shouldn't be getting married on the Tuesday 13, you shouldn't be taking any flights or making any kind of other important decisions for your life, because it is believed that the Tuesday 13 it's bringing bad luck. Segundo curioso dato es que no se debe pasar salero de mano en mano. Entonces, no se debe pasar un salero de mano en mano. So you shouldn't be handing the salt from hand into hand, as this is believed that actually brings bad luck. What you should do instead is put the salt on the table for the other person to actually grab the salt themselves. And of course, spilling the salt is also considered to be a bad luck. Tercer curioso dato es que los gatos tienen 7 vidas y no 9. Entonces, gatos en España tienen solamente 7 vidas y no 9. So, it is believed in Spain that cats actually have only 7 lives and not 9 lives like it is believed in English world. And of course, do not allow a black cat to cross your path, as it is believed that it brings a bad luck. Nuestro cuarto curioso dato es que tienes que comer 12 uvas el 31 de diciembre. Entonces tienes que comer 12 uvas el 31 de diciembre. So, on 31st of December, you need to eat 12 grapes, as this is believed to bring you a good luck in a new year. And this is very particular to the Spanish traditions. It is believed that if you do not eat 12 grapes on the 31st of December at midnight, then you actually will have a bad luck in the upcoming year. Y el quinto curioso dato que tengo por vosotros es que cuando ofrezca un brindis, mire a todas las personas del grupo a los ojos. Entonces, cuando ofrezca un brindis, mire a todas las personas del grupo a los ojos. So when someone is toasting, you need to make visual contact with everyone in the group. Otherwise, it is considered actually that you will have bad luck if you don't do that. Okay, now I'm going to leave you to Victoria so that she explains 5 superstitions that exist in Uruguay. And let's see which one are the weirdest ones.
Hi Elena, thank you very much for having me. Like you said in the beginning of this video, Spanish students might come across with some superstitions when talking to native Spanish speakers, and that's because Hispanic people can be a little bit superstitious sometimes, and we associate some things with good luck and bad luck as well. The first superstition I want to share with you is that pasar por debajo de una escalera trae mala suerte. Pasar por debajo de una escalera trae mala suerte. So basically, passing under a ladder brings you bad luck. In my country, Uruguay, people also say that if you pass under a ladder, you will never get married ever. So if you want to remain single, you know what to do. The second one also has to do with marriage. Imagine that you're sharing a plate of biscuits or pizza or anything else with your friends or family, but on the plate there's only one piece left. According to this superstition, if you eat the last piece, you will remain single. Si te comes lo último que hay en el plato, te quedas soltero. And what's actually interesting is that when we see that there's only one piece remaining, we actually hesitate before taking it. But what's even more interesting is that if someone else offers you the last piece, then this curse breaks. ¿Quieres comerte la última galletita? ¡Ay, sí! ¡Muchas gracias! La superstición número 3 dice que romper un espejo trae 7 años de mala suerte. So breaking up a mirror brings 7 years of bad luck. There are many theories about this superstition, and one of them says that when we look at the mirror, we don't only see the reflection of our image, but also the reflection of our souls. And somehow, if the mirror breaks, our soul gets trapped inside the pieces. What do you think about this one? Número 4. Abrir un paraguas dentro de tu casa trae mala suerte. To open an umbrella inside your house brings you bad luck. So according to this superstition, I shouldn't be doing this right now. The last superstition I want to share with you today is actually quite funny. Dice que dejar la escoba detrás de la puerta del frente de tu casa espanta a las visitas. So, leaving the broom, la escoba, behind the front door of your home will scare away visitors. So, if you're a superstitious person and you hate having unexpected guests at your home, do like me and casually leave the broom behind the main door. Just kidding. Be nice, don't be like me.
I hope you enjoyed this lesson and that you learned something. Let me know in the comment box below which of these superstitions was for you the most kind of surprising, and let me know as well if you are superstitious yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss your next Spanish lesson, and of course hit the like button and subscribe to my newsletter, as I will send you out every week a new PDF files that will help you with learning Spanish. And connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and see you in my next